All over America, in workplaces like LKQ, we deal with spills. They just happen, either in the normal course of our business or completely by accident. We must respond by providing a safe workplace, using safe products, and taking care of the environment around us. In this LKQ facility, our team members are using SpillFix Organic Industrial Absorbent to clean up the many spills that happen throughout the day. So it's important that we all know the best way to use it. The most effective way to clean up any hazardous liquid spill with SpillFix is to apply it to the perimeter of the spill. This will stop that threat from spreading and stop it quickly. You'll notice right away that SpillFix is not dusty. And even more important, SpillFix does not contain any carcinogens like crystalline silica dust. See how SpillFix absorbs the hydrocarbon liquid on contact? This means that with SpillFix, this spill can be cleaned up immediately, leaving the area safe from any threats. You just can't get the same results with kitty litter. Those other so-called solutions need to be left on the spill for a long time because they do not absorb on contact. More than that, kitty litter will lay around your workplace, creating hazardous areas that workers will walk over and track silica dust everywhere. With SpillFix, none of that is a problem. You just continue to cover the spill and then sweep it with a stiff broom. You will work the SpillFix over the spill area and you'll remove all the oil from the floor surface. By the way, it's best to use brooms with coconut fiber bristles or palmyra brooms because natural bristles do a much better job without becoming oily. And when you use your brooms on SpillFix, that SpillFix can be reused multiple times. That's why you should place the used material in a container, so you can reuse the same SpillFix on the next spill. Here you can see what SpillFix looks like when it has been used once. Compare it to fresh SpillFix. Fresh SpillFix is lighter in color. Let's clean another spill of dirty used oil. This time, let's apply the SpillFix from the used SpillFix container. As long as that used SpillFix is not completely black, it can continue to be reused again and again. And remember, because this is important, fresh or used, with SpillFix, you can clean the surface of the floor immediately and completely without any slick residue. When SpillFix is fully saturated with oil and is black in color, then and only then should you place it in your disposal bin. Just as important, SpillFix is landfill safe because it will never leach out the hydrocarbons again. Used SpillFix can even be used as a fuel source in incinerators. You will see that we can use SpillFix throughout the entire workshop, cleaning up messy walkways and even old spills. No spill is too tough for SpillFix. Check out this dirty loading dock. It hasn't been cleaned for some time. It's slippery and a threat to the safety of our workforce, which makes this area wasted space. But it's no problem for SpillFix. SpillFix cleans it quickly, efficiently, and safely. And SpillFix can clean oil, water, and grease all at the same time. SpillFix is reliable every time you use it, and we've proven it to ourselves.
Several of the reasons why we changed from the oil dry that we were actually using over to SpillFix. So number one, it was more environmentally safe, which is a big key for LKQ and a big key for the product itself. We also looked at the cost savings that we were able to achieve by comparing the two, as well as the safety that the SpillFix actually helped provide us compared to oil dry. One of the things that SpillFix has really helped us with is being able to utilize a product for a longer period of time and help us save a lot of money over the year. We were going through a pallet to a pallet and a half of oil dry every single month. We go through one pallet of SpillFix anywhere from 5 to 6 months.
And that's just the beginning of the cost savings for LKQ. It takes 23.5 pounds of kitty litter to pick up just 1 gallon of spilled oil, and that creates 30 pounds of waste. You can clean up that same gallon of oil with just 3.3 pounds of SpillFix, which will create only 10 pounds of waste. Less waste means lower transportation costs and reduced disposal costs. SpillFix can even be used in windy conditions. Working with SpillFix means a clean floor right down to a dry surface. SpillFix is a clean, natural material that is so safe and easy to use, you can even clean oily hands and tools with it and get back to work fast.
SpillFix is quick and easy to use, and it's safe for the environment.
SpillFix works and works hard for LKQ. But in the end, LKQ uses SpillFix for one very important reason. With SpillFix, the threat stops here.